Welcome back students. Let us solve question number 6 of exercise 2.4. Let us read the question with me. There was a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Moholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? It is a very nice question and easy question. Let us try to understand it. There was a narrow rectangular plot. There is a plot in the shape of rectangle, means rectangular plot. Reserved for a school. This is for a school, booked for a school. In the village Moholi. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. We are given with the ratio. The ratio of, let us write the information of the rectangular plot, means a piece of land is ratio of length and breadth. I forgot to write. Of the rectangular plot is 11:4. Again we are given with a ratio. We don't know what exactly the length is and the breadth is. So let us consider the length to be 11x and breadth to be 4x. Let us consider, I had already discussed that when a ratio is given, consider it to be the same ratio multiplied with x. Let us consider the length of the plot equals to 11x and breadth of the plot is 4x. Again it is said that at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. Fencing means covering the surrounding. मीन्स हम तार का जाली लगाते हैं बागान में इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड काउज और कुछ गोट्स वगैरह सब पेड़ सब खा जाते हैं पौधे वौधे, तो इसीलिए हमें फेंसिंग करना पड़ता है एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया. घर बनाने के बाद हम बाउंड्री भी बनाते हैं. सो दोज आर फेंसिंग. सो यहाँ पे फेंसिंग के लिए टोटल खर्चा होता है 75,000 एट द रेट ऑफ, मतलब 1 मीटर का रेट 100 रुपीज़ है. एट द रेट ऑफ 100 रुपीज़ पर मीटर. फॉर 1 मीटर वी आर स्पेंडिंग 100 रुपीज़ और टोटल हमारा 75,000 रुपीज़ खर्चा हुआ है. तो फिर हमारा कितना मीटर का फेंसिंग हो रहा होगा? ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू डिवाइड 75,000 बाय 100. इट इज सिमिलर द क्वेश्चन दैट हमारे मम्मी ने हमको दिए 10 रुपये और हमको भेजा खरीदने नींबू. एक नींबू का दाम 2 रुपये. हमको दिया गया 10 रुपये, एक नींबू का दाम 2 रुपये. तो हमको कितना नींबू मिलेगा? सो कैसे करेंगे? हमको ऑब्वियसली 5 मिलेगा, सबको पता है. ये इजी मैथमेटिक्स तो सबको आती है, पर हम निकालें कैसे? दिस इज 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. The total expenditure divided by unit cost. So that is 5. Similarly, to know the perimeter of the rectangular plot means कितना लंबाई का हम फेंसिंग कर रहे हैं. To know that we need to find the total expenses by unit cost. Total expenses is 75,000 and unit cost is 100 rupees. So if we divide it, we will get to know how long the fencing is to be done. So let us write here the total cost of fencing is 75,000. Unit cost of fencing is rupees 100. So the length of fencing is, obviously this is 75,000 divided by 100. And this division is very easy, everyone knows it. Just cancel both the zeros with the numerator. This is 750 meter. So the fencing length is 75 meter. So see, this is a rectangular plot. If we start fencing from here, we need to proceed as this and come to this at last. So the total area will be fenced, and this total length is supposed to be perimeter of the rectangle. The surrounding, the total surrounding is called the perimeter. So this is also equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangle is 750 meter. See, also we know the length and breadth of the rectangle, and we also know the perimeter formula of the rectangle. So let us write the derived perimeter out of this length and breadth and write it here in place of perimeter. So that is 2 whole into L plus B equal to 750. We all have studied this formula in lower classes from class 6. So let us replace L with its value, that is 11x. We have considered length as 11x. 11x plus breadth is 4x. So this is 750. Now see, both are like terms, so add these numbers. 2 into 11 plus 4 is 15x. We added because these are like. So now 2 into 15, we can multiply, both are whole numbers. So 15 2s are 30. एक ही x है, इसीलिए हम इसको एक बार लिखेंगे, is equal to 750. So x equal to divide 30 here in RHS. Because 30 was multiplied with x, it will be multiplied with, it will be divided with 750. So x0 लास्ट से कैंसिल होता है, बीच में जीरो होने से कैंसिल नहीं होता है, लास्ट में होने से ही होता है, because we consider it as factor of 10. Then 75 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 3 2 जा 6, 1 3 5 जा 25. वैसे भी 25 3 जा 75. So the value of x is 25. Let us see what we need to find out what are the dimension of the plot. Dimension means we need to find length and breadth. लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ को तो हम कंसिडर कर लिए हैं पहले, अब x का वैल्यू भी निकल गया है. सो लेंथ ऑफ द प्लॉट इक्वल्स टू, दिस इज 11x, सो दिस इज 11 into 25. सो 25 को 10 से करने से 250 275 होगा. ये मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप लोग तो 275 मीटर आएगा. एंड ब्रेड्थ of the plot is, we have considered it to be 4x. So this is 4 into 25. This is 100 meter. 25 4s at 100. We know the multiplication table. So we have now found out the dimension of the plot. This is the solution. Hope you understand. Thank you.